It is.
So we had a photo assignment. Let's wrap this sucker up. It was ring.
Yeah, ring. I was still going with clothing-related items. So ring was the assignment. We have some participation. I think people are kind of busy, Christmas busy, holiday busy.
We only got
not as many as
a dozen or 20 photos. Not a whole lot of submissions.
Yeah, in that range. So let's see. Maybe if we give them time until early March, we'll have something. The next one is going to be an interesting one again. So I picked 3 photos out of the ring assignment. And the first one is by KG6S212013. And the image name is DGI_0009-1.
Okay, clearly this is a robot we're talking here.
Sort of. Well, it is at least what let's call him KG. Whatever KG did there. KG used a robot to take the photo because
it's a drone shot.
It's a drone shot. It's an aerial shot straight down from above onto a ring-shaped circular driveway. So
it's kind of cool. I like it. Yeah.
The reason I picked it is kind of cool because what these drones do, we all know them from a video context, but they're also quite capable of shooting stills, and they're also quite capable of shooting raw these days. So you can do quite a lot with the photos. And just the change in perspective, straight down onto something, changes everything, gives things such a geometric quality, and that comes out here really well. And then he or she decided to make this a black and white photo, so you only have the shapes and the different shades of gray. And I like this.
When you have geometric shapes in a shot, I think it's interesting to do it in black and white because then you're not distracted by other details like colors. You see the geometry really shines.
Right. The other thing that KG did is the main part of the geometry, the thing that this is about, is in the center, straight in the middle. And that feels good. It feels right at this point because that's also what it's about, and this is what the assignment was about. So, this works for me.
It's a ring driveway. All right. Thank you, KG.